I've been around technology for quite some time now, and one of the things I've been saying for many, many years, decades, is that integration, interconnectedness is key. And so what I love, or one of the many things at least that I love about Course Commander, is its way to bring all of these disparate components that you want to have in a course together. So it's not like you have your course thing over here and your marketing landing pages over there and your quizzes down here or whatever, and you have to bring them all together like we had to in the old days. Course Commander brings all of those components together in one place. And I know there are other platforms out there that do similar, but just this one seems to have everything that you need for in the one location. Now, one of the things that I really was surprised to see, because it's not that commonplace in the market, is integration with your CRM. So your customer relationship management, or as we call it in our business, the customer recreation management system. So quite often you'll have your CRM over here, and you can't. I don't think it's fair to expect anyone to build a full-blown CRM into any system like this. This is built for purpose, and it has, like I said, it has all the stuff you need for a course platform in the one place. Yet it has this ability to connect to any CRM, literally any. And some of them are native, and some of them are just via the API. And I find that incredible, because as soon as someone signs up for your course, one of the things you don't want to have to do necessarily is go out to some other platform, acting as a glue between the course platform and your CRM, like things like a middleware or whatever. You don't necessarily want to have to do that. It adds an extra step. It adds some points of failure. And what you really want is, you want someone to come to your landing page and they buy the course here, or whether they buy it on your website or they buy it here. You want them to come, and as soon as they buy the course here or they're in the database of the course, you want them in your CRM database so you can do all your marketing automation and mail out and all that sort of good stuff over there. And you can also and also track the lifetime value of the client and score them and all that sort of stuff that you do in a CRM. So that was really, really cool, I thought, with Course Commander. The other thing I really love about Course Commander, because so many tech companies get this so wrong, is the level of support that you get from the company in putting your course up, understanding how the system works. Not that the system's difficult to understand. It's very intuitive. Okay, that's me saying that, and I sort of get tech pretty well. But I think anybody, even if they don't really get tech, the way the system's set up, it's very intuitive, and it's going to be easy for you to get into. Not that I really recommend you get into it. I did, because I wanted to know how it worked. And so when I get my people to put up courses on it, I know exactly where how it works. And if they have a problem, we'll be able to say, listen, go and do this. I mean, if they come and ask me, which is quite often what they do, but I'll probably be saying, listen, just go and talk to support, because the support on Course Commander is really, really phenomenal. So there are two main areas I see this platform working for. Firstly, coaches, consultants, trainers, educators, and at any in any area at any level, you people can leverage this platform to get your content out there and both market it, and because it includes all the landing pages and stuff, and deliver the course. Okay, in a really, really cool way. This with quizzes and surveys and things like that. Really phenomenal. If you're running a CRM in the back end, I hope you are, you'll be able to connect to that, as I've already said. So coaches, consultants, trainers, educators, this is an absolute must-have piece of software as a service platform, technology platform for you to use. If you're looking at other platforms, I highly recommend you look at this one first. And after you look at everyone, come back to this one and look at it again before making a choice. The other one, niche that will benefit from Course Commander, and this is one which is quite often overlooked, is companies that do internal training. Even if you're a small company, you can set up your internal trainings on this. You may have certain processes and procedures that people need to be aware of, and you may do ongoing stuff, whether it's an initial upfront training for onboarding staff or an ongoing training within your company, or something to take different resources to a higher level, maybe to a lower or middle management level, or whatever it is you do training for in your company. This platform, again, really, really cool. You can set it up basically with your own subdomain and use it like an intranet for your people to go and do the training on, and really worthwhile. A number of the businesses that my people and I've invested in over time, we've done internal training using platforms like this, and I think it'll be phenomenal for that too. So two very specific niches: consultants, trainers, coaches, and educators. Absolutely, without a doubt, top platform for you to use, and any small business or medium-sized business even, and I dare say larger ones could even use it as well, doing any sort of training internally. This is a great platform for you to use. I hope this was helpful, and good luck creating whatever courses you create in Course Commander.